This Madewell Living 4-in-1 Baby Bassinet stands out for its ability to convert from a standalone sleeper to a bedside attachment, a gentle rocker, or an inclined mode that can help babies who struggle with reflux. The multiple height settings allow the bassinet to line up well with most adult beds, which makes nighttime feeding and checking on the baby much easier and safer feeling. Its generously sized mattress, made from soft jersey cotton with a breathable fitted sheet, feels plush yet supportive enough for long stretches of newborn sleep. A full coverage mosquito and light shield helps keep bugs away and softens harsh light, while the hanging toy adds gentle visual and auditory stimulation without being overwhelming. The frame folds quickly without tools, and the fabric cover zips off for machine or hand washing. So keeping the sleep space clean is straightforward even with frequent messes. Materials feel sturdy and baby-friendly, and the overall design balances safety features with a compact footprint that fits comfortably in most bedrooms.